is Linda Gunner. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfection Creations. Linda's Perfection Creations is an event planning and wedding decor company. We cater to small and large events in and around Philadelphia. We do full service, we do partial, we do month of coronations, we do destination weddings, we do home stagings. So pretty much if you're selling your home or you have an Airbnb and you want to stage it to give people an idea, prospective buyers or guests to see how beautiful setup it looks, because you got to understand that visual is important. You can look at, even when it comes to food and other things, when we look at something more appetizing than look, you just want to devour it, so that the first thing your eyes see. So before you even taste anything, the first thing you see. So there is a great benefit in regards to home staging, and even with office space and places, when guests come into your place, it look nice, they feel warm, they feel comfort, and they take you very seriously. So I help in a lot of businesses and a lot of people, business owner, help make things look beautiful and pretty. That's one of the things that we do. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can go to my website on www.lyndaperfect.creationseven.com to learn more about my services, and also to sign up for a free 30-minute consultation to learn, about the services I offer. You tell me about your weddings. Even if you do decide not to go with the services, it's okay, but at least you get some inside things that can help you. But I guarantee you, once you speak to me in detail, you will be so excited and know that we are the best fit for you. So today we're going to talk about beauty. We're going to talk about how important, how you can get this beautiful glowing skin before your wedding. A lot of people, yes, makeup is there, and makeup can cover a lot of things, but if your skin is radiant already, you don't need to add too much, because on your wedding day I did a video where people drown themselves in makeup and it kind of looked like a mask because they're trying to cover so much, and makeup started doing so much to make your skin look pretty until it divine your skin and people can tell the difference, that you just look like a clown. And I hate to say it is, but it is what it is. So if you start to clean your skin properly and prepare yourself properly, you don't have to do, you can just go a natural glow, have something really beautiful. Don't get me wrong, I love a face beat. It's nothing wrong with getting nice makeup, but it doesn't mean that you should just go ahead and just plot it on. So we'll talk about how to get radiant skin overnight. And one of the most important thing, I would say, the weeks leading on to your wedding is try to get enough sleep. I know people say it's like that, oh, 8 hours sleep is good for you. Yes, it is. But the more rest that you are, it's not only good for your health, but it also good for your skin, because your skin hydrate over time, and it look where you are well rested, you don't look tired, you don't look drained. Because we all know that sometimes when you don't get enough rest, even if you can be the most happier person, you just like less. Because I know even me, some days when I'm tired, you start to get headaches and a lot of things come up. So there is a lot of benefit for sleep, to make sure you get enough sleep. And one thing I would say is that have a nice routine. Even if you don't wash your face twice a day, which I strongly recommend to do, but the most important thing to do is make sure you do your routine at night. Because at night, your skin is rested. It can hydrate over time and do anything. So before you go to bed, clean your face. Take off all the foundation. Take off after you take your shower. Yes, sometimes when I say, taking a shower don't automatically mean that your skin is clean. Because I seen so many days, you just got out of the shower, you rub your skin, you still find dirt. Because we are made of the dirt. Let's be real. So you want to wash your face so that it can properly hydrate and get deep into your skin, and make sure use your cleanser, your toner, and everything like that to heal your skin. So make sure you have that routine. And in another video, I will talk about the step-by-step thing, how to prep your skin, what all you need to do. But today I'm just talking about the basics and things that you need to know. And then another trick that a lot of people don't know, that if you are having, let's say, pimple, you're breaking out and everything like that, you can use apple cider vinegar. You can use it just as you use your toner. You can dab on some pad and put it on your skin lightly. And I mean lightly. I'm not saying just drying your face with apple cider vinegar. What it does is that it helps heal the breakout on your skin. One thing I will warn, if you are use apple vinegar before, apple cider vinegar. Oh my God. Scent is a little strong to take from people, so if you haven't seen or haven't used it, but it will help with the pimple, it will help it dry it out, it will help it make it look, so definitely try that. Another option that you can always try yogurt on the face, it will take all the inflammation and everything like that, so it's pretty good. Even yogurt face mat is really good. And that just get me right to that. Use a face mask. Like before you go to bed, you want to use your sheet face mask. The chill face mask to really help your skin. A intensify. There's another proper way to hydrate, properly hydrate your skin and give a lot of moisture. So if you don't use a sheet mask, I would definitely encourage to do that. Add that to your remedy. And one of the most important thing I would say avoid food that is high intake in salt before your wedding, the day, especially before your wedding, the night before your wedding. Do not eat anything that's high intake in salt. If you can avoid it as possible, avoid it. Because what that do is salty. A lot of salt, it give you puffy eyes, it gives your face swollen, if it make you look all puffy, especially people who sugar. So eliminate your salt. Limit your salt intake, especially before your wedding. But weeks leading on to your wedding, I would say try to cut down all the salty foods. Avoid it, especially in the evening. I'm not saying don't eat full salt, especially before you go to bed. So if you eat it in the day, that's okay. But before you go to bed, like in the evening time, once it's getting in the evening, between now 5 o'clock. So pretty much dinner time. Anything around dinner time, to not eat anything that high in taking salt, because it will affect your eyes and it will make it puffy and it will do a lot. So don't do it. And one thing I would say, do not be afraid of oil. Some people think oil is really good for your skin. Has some especially coconut oil, the sunflower seed oil, the mallow oil. There's a lot of oils that you can use that will properly hydrate, especially people who have dry skin, or probably people who have and now when I'm saying oil, I don't mean like just take a lot, but make sure you moisturize your face. And when you're moisturizing your face, you don't want to go down because you're kind of like bringing the skin down with anything. Over time, it start to sag. You want to always go up in the upper motion. Make sure anything you do from up, make sure your T zone, get your T zone. These are the T zone. If you don't know what the T is, like T right here. So make sure you go up in the upper motion to rub your skin, and don't skip on your vitamin C. You want to use things that have vitamin C. There's some treatment. Make sure that you have face cream, face lotion, anything that have high intake of vitamin C. And especially around your eyes, you want to, because the eyes sometimes when you're tired, you're psychic, and like I said, salty food make it puffy. You want to get that vitamin C in your skin, and we all know the good old vitamin C is really great for you. So you definitely want to use that. And I would say is keep properly hydrate. Hydrate, drink a lot of water. Drink a lot of water to hydrate. And if you're not a big water fan, I understand some people just don't like water. I don't understand why. Try to do something like the green juices. And no, it tastes as a proper alternative. It's healthy. It do things, but I would say the best solution to everything is water. It's not only good for you, but it makes you like first thing in the morning before I put anything in my stomach, I drink water. I learned that a long time ago. It kind of flush it out the system. It kind of take everything out. So I would say properly drink. Make sure you hydrate and you hydrate to make sure that your skin is looking right. Another thing, do not pop your pimples. Don't. Because it will inflate and it will kind of leave a mark and leave a skin. So I understand. The only time was the best time to buy, and I learned this from Dr. Pimple. If you don't know who she is, go on YouTube, Instagram, and you will know who she is. Yeah, I'm a Papa fan, so I should sit there and watch these weird videos of people popping pimples. And it's off course. Yeah, I know, but it's just that. But Dr. Pimple, she said only time for you to pop a pimple when it's already, I would say rap is just a word. When and you can see the pulse and everything in there, you can squeeze about before it starts. And it's just red, you don't want to pop it when it's already properly blown. Whatever the proper term for that is, then you can do that. Absorb ice oil. So if you're the skin that's like really oily, always try to absorb the oil to make your skin, because sometimes oil is good, but some people are have oily skin. For me, I have a combination skin, where my skin is not dry, it's not oily, just sometimes my T-zones get a little oily here and there, but after that I'm okay. But if you don't have, avoid it. And then avoid touching your face. Stop picking your face, stop touching things, especially leading on to where you don't want to add more germs, irritate yourself. Just stop. Sometimes it can clog and like the germs from our hands. Just avoid touching your face. That's all point period. But that is all for today. I hope this was really helpful and informative for you guys. Tomorrow we'll try to do a video on the step-by-step things that you need to do, how to wash your face properly, what it is that you need to do. But once again, thank you for watching. My name is Linda Gunner. I am the CEO, Master Certified Wedding Planner of Linda's Perfection Creations. Thank you, and you have a wonderful night. Please don't hesitate to send me your questions, your comments, and everything that I can talk about, additional topics that you want me to talk about. We can go from there. Thank you, and have an amazing day. Bye.